Hello everyone, today I'm trying to repair a Sony Walkman. The model is WM-EX505. It is full metal, it has a very nice design and it is in a pretty good shape. No scratches, no dents, no nothing. I like the way that the Sony engineers try to squeeze the battery inside. It's very ingenious, this method. Okay, let's do a quick test and see if it is dead or not. I will insert my headphones. Okay, I can hear some beeps. No more. So it's not dead, but it's not working either. I can see when I'm pressing the function, I can see a small LED on this button that is lighting up. Okay, let's open it up. I like this cover, it's very sensitive. You just touch it to the right, just push it to the right and the door, it will open immediately. Okay, let's take the screwdriver and study the screws. Okay, nothing too fancy, I guess. I will start with this screw. These screws are identical. I've learned with these delicate Walkmans that it is important to take care of the length of the screws, because one wrong screw will make maybe damages inside, or maybe it will prevent the battery to fit properly inside. Okay, let me study it a little. So one more screw here. Identical also. This is a good thing. Here's a part of the dried belt. I think this is half millimeter or maybe 0.7 millimeters thick diameter belt. Well, as far as I can see, it has some, I don't know, some dirt, some oxide, or is some lubricate. I think it's both of them. It's some dried lubrication substance, and also some oxide, I think. This is oxide, yes. It seems that this Walkman will require a proper cleaning, the mechanism especially. I have to disassemble it completely to take the affected parts and give them a good bath in the ultrasonic bath. Okay, let's proceed with disassembling. First, I will remove the battery compartment. Okay, it has some big screws. I don't think I will put them elsewhere. The battery poles are soldered by the main PCB, so I wonder if I can remove it with the PCB. Here we have another screw. Let me use my right hand so you can see something. Okay, this screw is shorter than the others, so I have to unsolder some things, some parts, and that will be all. I have to study a little bit. Okay, I can see inside here it's blue oxide, so I definitely have to disassemble everything, because maybe even if I change the belt and I will make it to play somehow, I think the speed won't be proper, and maybe it has another bad surprises underneath. So let me study a little bit how to disassemble it without breaking anything. Okay, I unsoldered these points, the motor joints. I also unsoldered these points. Here must be the solenoid, the actuator that performs different gear actions. This must come out in some way. Not yet. As you can see, the ribbon cable from the tape head does not have a connector, so I have to unsolder it also. But for the moment I can flip over the PCB as soon as it will come out of the screws or maybe some soldering joints. Let me show you the tiny micro contacts. So one of these is the tape selector, and this is the tape detector that the cassette is inside. Very, very tiny. I have to take care with this. So how do we disassemble this, I wonder? Okay, I guess I have to remove this plastic frame. Like this. You know, this I have never opened yet a model like this. So these wheels are familiar, but the frame and all the stuff is very different by all I have disassembled up to now. Okay, so the micro contacts, I have to remove a screw, a tiny screw here. So I guess after this the PCB board will come out. So this screw is even shorter than the screws I have taken out. Okay, this is the plastic frame. Let's put it aside. you can already see the oxide residues. Okay, the PCB is coming out. Wow, I don't know if you can see very well, but it looks like this Walkman belonged to man from Atlantis. It has all over the mechanism. It has oxide from battery, I guess, but it has also some melted and then dried type of grease. Let me show you here. So it has, I guess, it looks like this is salt from sea or ocean. Okay, I guess I have to unsolder this because I can't risk to break the tiny ribbon. This ribbon can be easily unsoldered with hot air, but I won't use it because I'm afraid I could blow away some of the tiny SMDs on the PCB, so I will try to move quickly my soldering iron so I can hit them up all at once. Okay, this is okay. We have the PCB. The PCB looks pretty nice, I guess. I will have to make sure that this switch, this mode switch, is cleaned. So I will use some isopropylic alcohol for it. Okay. The headphones female connector, I have to check it also, but it doesn't show any sign of corrosion. The big problems are here. As you can see, here the corrosion is pretty bad. Okay, I will show you how to disassemble these wheels. First I will remove the blocking circlip. Let me prepare a small box so I can put everything inside. Okay. So this is the clutch gear. Come out, please. Okay. It is moving like it should move. This is a good shape, I guess. Let me analyze it a little bit for any potential cracks, because the cracks aren't good for the final repair. If this would be crack, I will cease the repairing because I don't have this wheel. It's okay. It looks like it's in a good shape. Okay, next I will let's remove the motor. I will put the screws somewhere in some other place. wonder if it will come out, but maybe it has something on the other side. Let's check. Now it's locked and I have to simulate the opening button. Okay, this is the movement. Now I guess I have to just extract the engine. Could this be? I will loosen it up a little bit. I don't want to remove any screw if it is not necessary. So I want to be sure that the screw it is not coming out yet. It feels like it's stuck with some. Oh, yes, it is stuck with the there's a foil on the other side, a sticky foil. Let me put this back in its place. On the other side is this sticky foil that will come out very easy. Very bad things happened with this walkman. Well, at least I'm trying. Okay, this is the motor. After disassembling this walkman, I have to clean my bench. Okay, let me block the door. So next, let me take a picture. It is important to take pictures from time to time so you can see how the parts were mounted. So this will it came out relatively easy. It doesn't have a blocking plastic washer. You just pull it out, of course, gently. These wheels have some now you can see some blocking plastic parts, so they are auto blocking. The next wheel will be, well, they are really blocked, they are stuck all together. I don't know if this wheel has something to block it, but I guess not. Okay. Let me take another picture. It came out easily. This one too. Let me take another picture. I hope these wheels are in one piece. Anyway, they are pretty elastic. They are not very stiff, so the chances to break one when pulling them out are very reduced. Okay, this one is blocked, but now is not anymore, so I will lift it easily. Yes, now it's okay. I guess I have to take a picture because I will need these pictures after I will clean it everything. You know, now it looks that everything is okay. I am taking pictures. It is very easy to put it back together, but after cleaning it won't be green, it won't be oxide here. All the area will change its appearance, so I have to take pictures every single step I am doing here. Okay, now I have to remove the flywheels, but before, let me remove this wheel. Okay, so this is the wheel. And now on the other side, oops, the door closed eventually. I don't know how. It is working through paper, it seems. Okay, let me see how to remove the door. I can do it. I will put the screws in a separate place. Okay, so we have one screw. I guess I have to remove it from one side and then oh, oops, I forgot these screws. So this screw is like the previous one, so they will stay in the same place. Right, now I open it up and I have to study the flywheels. How are they locked in place? It seems that they have those plastic circlips. Okay, this is the limit of the focusing area of my lenses. I think once they are removed, I won't be able to put them back because they are very aged. Wonder where do I put, oh, okay, here it is. I have to use the magnifying glass. It has some rust here. This was some sealing gasket or something, but here I have, yes, I guess these bushings, these copper bushings or bronze bushings have to keep inside the grease or the oil, so in order to keep the lubrication substance inside. Between the locking washer and the bushing, they have some sealing micro gaskets, but this one is old. And anyway, it will work without that gasket. It is rather hard to take out. It seems to come out, but yes, it is almost in one piece. Almost. Here it is. Okay. Let me remove the other one. I hope this will work faster than the first one. It is unbelievable how much rust and oxide this Walkman has inside. I'm not sure if only the substance, the leaking substance from the battery did all this mess inside. I will skip editing this part because it is boring. Okay, it came out. So now this should come out. It is oxidized. I have never seen such an oxidized Walkman. Wow. I am not very optimistic about repairing this mechanism, judging by the difficulties I am having with removing the flying wheels. Oh, I have to take care that this flywheel has a washer inside. Okay, I will put it aside. So they are blue. Okay, one more wheel. This one. It has dried grease. I've just found the other one, the other washer from the first removed the flywheel. It jumped, but not very far away. Okay, let's see how to disassemble this flywheel. Somehow I have to remove the solenoid. I can see a small spring inside. Okay, so I have disassembled the spring. Now I have this arm to know that everything, it's okay now, that everything was cleaned properly. Well, the arm came out. It's like this. Let's pull the cam wheel. Whoa, look what it has underneath. This is almost dried. The lubrication is not existing anymore. So I have to clean much of this mechanism. Okay, now I have to remove the take-up reel and providing reel from previous Walkmans. These wheels have to come out by separate the bottom part from the outer part. It's okay. I guess it has to have a spring. No, it doesn't have. Oh, yes. Let me show you. This part is coming here, here, and you have to press all the way to the bottom, and so it is mounted back together. Okay, but for the moment I have to take them out. I think these are identical. Yes, so it won't be a problem if you reverse them. Okay, this is our rusty mechanism. I will now I realize I can disassemble this part too, but for the moment I guess I won't disassemble it. I will put it in the ultrasonic bath together with all these parts. Okay, this is my ultrasonic bath. I have already put the mechanism inside. Here I have the tiny parts in this basket. I heat up the water at 40 degrees. Let's see. Okay, the bath is finished. Let's see the results. They seem to have changed the aspect, the dirty aspect, yes. All the other things are now okay, I guess. Of course, I will rinse it with water and let's see how it will look after that.